Good day, viewers. My name is Queen Madu, and you're welcome to another segment of Reason with Queen. So, and this proverb is not a joke. It's those people that know you. You see those people that know you, they're the one that will kill you. There's one saying that said, Father Lord, protect me from unfriendly friends, because I may not know them. Don't worry about my enemies. I know those ones. But you see those unfriendly friends, they are the ones that you don't know. So there is this trending video now that is going on at a wedding where they are dancing, the couple dancing, gyrating, very good thing, happy thing. Marriage is a good thing. Marriage is a, people come out to, celebrate with them. And this person putting on ashwebi, because I'm very sure that person is family. The person is wearing ashwebi, came and was using handkerchief or whatever and was circulating these people's hair, doing voodoo for them. That is the reason why when I see couple have issues few days or 1 week or 2 weeks after their wedding, I used to first of all tell them to calm down and check if this thing is spiritual, because the truth is a lot happen in marriage, in wedding. You see that wedding day, it's not everybody that are happy. See, let me tell you something. For you, you have to have it at the back of your mind that it's not everybody that is happy with you. It's not everybody that is happy with your happiness. So even this your waka, this ordinary waka that you are wakaring like this, if there is an English like that, know that there are people that are angry because you are waka. Yes, there are people that are angry because you are breathing, ordinary breathing. Then you not talk of wedding, and if you see the wedding, a very beautiful, glamorous wedding, this one came. First of all, couple will marry, yes, they will not have a child. Couple will marry, people that know, you know, be like, is it that these people did not know their self? Is it that they did not learn their self, or they did not cut? They did, oh, they did. It is demons, witches and wizards like that woman now in this video that used to scatter a lot of people's wedding. I'm telling you the truth. You see people that dated for years, they'll get married, but they will hate the sight of each other. They cannot stand each other. They cannot tolerate anything. You will see a man that was a very good human being when they were dating. Bam! Immediately he marries his wife, he become promiscuous. He will not be moving from one pan to another. Most of these things are spiritual, and let me tell you something. 90% of family problem and marriage problem happen on the wedding day. Take it or leave it. I am telling you the simple truth. I don't even want to talk about gifts. If people that have gotten married before tell you the kind of evil gifts, bizarre gifts and weird gifts they've given them on their wedding day, you'll be like, eh? In fact, I don't want gifts. Don't give me gifts. I don't even blame some people that will tell you, don't spray me money. They will draw a cycle, you understand, and tell them to drop the money on the floor. It is even much better. For your own though, for your safety. My last video I talked about kidnappers. These ones are household kidnappers. Those ones that are very angry with your happiness. Those ones that have swore that they will never see you happy. And do you know the irony of this kind of thing? Trust me, you see that lady that did that thing, this couple gives her money. Go, write it anywhere. But she is angry. Maybe her daughter have not getting married, or her son have not gotten married, or they are not progressing like these two now. She wants to see everybody in penury. It is only a demon that wants to see everybody in penury. Say, no, this and no peace. Devil, the reason devil are dragging people to hell is because he knows he's going to hell, so he doesn't want to go there alone. That is how wicked people are, because they know they don't want to be in misery alone. They want to drag you into their wickedness. They want to drag you into their misery. They want to drag you into their sorrow. They want to see you pained. They want to see you angry. They want to see you sad. They want to see you frustrated, because they are already frustrated. They are frustrated. Household enemies, very real. Anybody that tell you that they are not real is a lie. They are real. You have to do shine your eyes. Thank God for this photographer. Thank God for this photographer. And some people will say, why did they celebrate it big way, big way? It is not about celebrating wedding big way, because this isn't that this thing. Even if it was a small wedding, they will invite her. That's the truth. Even if it was, because what? She's family. They would have invited her. And that's Ashwebi because there's a guy that is wearing it. So it shows it's like a family Ashwebi. Seriously? Thank God for this. See, God can use anybody to save your life. So you know how to treat people. Know how to treat people. Don't make anybody angry. Even your security person. Anybody. Even that Alea on the streets. Make him happy. Let me tell you something. You don't know who is going to save you. This photographer was the one that saw this woman and do. My anger is that if I was the one, I will raise alarm. Hey, well, a witch is in this wedding. A witch is in this wedding. We need to make sure we send her out. Then she will explain why she is using money to be circulating the couple's head. She would have explained. It is very, very paramount and a necessity to avert another evil from the family. Because another person will get married and she'll come back to do this her wickedness. Stay away from wickedness. Stay away from evil. Let good things come to your hand. What joy do you derive in seeing another person in pain and frustration? What joy are you going to derive? So it just, like I talked about before, the wicked gift. Some people will tell you that since they spread the bedsheet they gave them in their wedding day, that was the day peace eluded them. So we tell you that immediately they placed the clock they gave them on their wedding day, everything started going backward for them. Nothing was moving. Some people will get married today, everything will just, their business will just crumble down, business will crumble, everything will crumble down. They will say it's a lie, it's the wife, she is bad luck. She is not bad luck, because the Bible said that he that findeth a wife findeth a good thing and obtaineth favor from the Lord. You cannot do the right thing and bring misery. It is household enemies, wicked people. Those ones that have said, that have sworn in their life that evil, they must continue to perpetrate evil. They are the ones. Yes, that is it. So if you are doing stuff like this, I know you are happy. It is one of your happiest days. You are going to be entangled with your love of your life, and you guys are going to live forever and all that. Yes, I know, but please take precautionary measures. If it's nobody should spray money on your body, choose it. If they should put the money inside the envelope, they should put it, and nobody should touch you. Before you open any gifts, pray about it. In fact, don't even open yourself. Leave it. Let another person open it for you. Because you're going to avert a lot of things. Some people have inhaled gifts like this and they die. You will see someone that will get married 3 days, 3 months, they will die. Their stomach will swell up, they will die. There are a lot of things that we can avoid. A lot of things that we can avoid if we take some precautionary measures. And if you're a Christian, please pray. Pray. I know the reason why I say if you're a Christian, because not everybody are Christians that sees my video. So if you're a Christian, pray. If you're go, let's do If you're a Muslim, the same thing. But my point is that be very, very careful. Shine your eyes because household enemy is very, very real. And I pray that every wicked person that has sworn that nothing is going to balagi, nothing is going to come out from your hand. But see, let all of them fall down and die. Let all of them fall down. Instead of see, instead of your good, we kill. Let you kill the person you did it for. Yes, it's better that way. They should all die and give space for good people to stay. Because if you see that good thing is not good for you, then die. Let the good ones stay. Yes, I said it. Well, that is it today on Reason with Queen. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and on Facebook. And if you want to see my personal stuff in my personal space, don't forget to follow me on Lisa Queen's World. And if you know you are my friend, because you are my friend already, whether you like it or not, don't forget to share my video anytime you see it. Immediately you see my video, bam, share it, and every other video on BVI, like Chinedu's video and our news flash. They are all beautiful content, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Good news! Yes, I have good news. I've done this in a couple of my videos now. I have good news for entrepreneurs and businessmen. If you want your business to catapult and shoot out like let me not talk too much. Just bring your goods, your business, your product. Let me market it for you. Let us know. Even if household enemies are on it, I will pray and we will scatter their evil this thing. Yes, it will not work in the name of Jesus. I'm going to promote your goods so well. that you will get customers from the east, from the west, from the north, in fact, everywhere, all over the world. We will market you because guess what? BVI reach more than 10 million people every week. So just imagine, is that not mind blowing? It's mind blowing. So make sure that you come. Let me market your goods for you and carry it on my head like gala, because I will do it as if it's my own. Because it's actually my own, because you are my person. So bring it on. Let's do this. My name is Queen Madu. Until I come your way next time, please be careful. And remember, household enemies are real. Stay well, stay safe.